Hey guys, today we're gonna make a banana and blueberry milkshake. You'll need blueberry and yogurt ice cream,
Preview.
half a banana, chocolate sprinkles, vanilla extract, and a half cup of milk. First you'll pour 4 scoops of ice cream,
Preview.
the banana, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and finally the milk. Now it's ready to go in the blender.
Preview.
This is how it looks. We pour it in the glass and top it with some whipped cream. To finish it, we put some sprinkles on top. This is how the milkshake looks.
Preview.
Thanks for watching, please subscribe. This is delicious.